Good right hand by Donaire. And another left uppercut. Oh.
Ang panalo nito ni Juan Manuel Marquez kay Manny Pacquiao ang isa sa mga gumulat sa mundo ng boxing noong taong 2012. Isa ito sa hindi malilimutan knockout sa kasaysayan ng mundo ng boxing na halos tumurog na nga sa Pinoy fans ni Manny Pacquiao. Kaya naman isang linggo matapos ang kaapat na laban nila Manny Pacquiao at Juan Manuel Marquez, muling nabuhay ang damdamin ng ating kababayan dahil isang Pinoy fighter na naman ang lalaban sa isang Meksikano, kung saan hinarap na noong WBO World Super Bantamweight Champion na si Nonito Donaire, na may kartadang 30 wins, 19 wins by way of knockout at isang talo. Ang kilabot ng boksingero ng bantamweight ng Mexico na si Jorge Terrible Arce, na may kartadang 61 wins, 46 wins by way of knockout at may 6 na talo. Isa ito napakalaking hamon para sa tinagurian na Filipino Plus, para may balik sa kapwa Pilipino ang kawalang sigla nito sa mundo ng boxing. Siya isang multiple time world champion at pangalawang boksingero sa Mexico na nagkamit ng 4 na titulo sa 4 na magkakaibang division. Kasunod sa tinagurian El Terrible ng Mexico, walang iba kundi si Erik Morales. At dahil sa malaking panalo na itala ng kapwa niyang Meksikano na si Marquez kay Manny Pacquiao, malaki ang tiwala ni Arce sa kanyang sarili, na matutulad din si Nonito Donaire sa mapait na pagkatalo na sinapit ni Pacman kay Marquez sa laban.
Alright, gentlemen. Earlier today we went over the directions in the dressing room. I want you to obey my commands and fix up all times. Understood? Yes, sir. Touch him up. Buena suerte, Play Olympia.
Ang laban ay naganap sa Toyota Center sa Houston, Texas sa Amerika para sa bakanting WBC Diamond Super Bantamweight title. At sa WBO World Super Bantamweight title na hawak naman ng Pinoy champion.
The two fighters have both been promoted by Top Rank for quite a number of years, and as a result of that, Donaire says we spent a lot of time together. We're pretty good friends. He said that once I get into the ring, we aren't friends at all. There will be no conversation, just a fight.
Unang round ay pinakaramdaman muna ni Arce ang ataking gagawin ni Donaire sa laban, bagamat hindi ito ang estilo na nakasanayan ng mga taga-suporta ni Arce. Dahil kilala ito bilang agresibong boksingero. At dahil hindi basta-basta mapasok ni Arce ang depensa ni Donaire, dahil na rin sa taas at haba ng Pinoy na magpapahirap sa Mexican fighter.
Arce standing back and boxing rather than coming forward and attacking as has been his style for most of his career.
Donaire throwing some punches with mean intentions. Bad intent.
Donaire's jab has dominated the round from the standpoint of scoring blows. Arce just hasn't been able to get close enough yet. He's landing on Donaire's gloves. There's an uppercut for Donaire, another one with the left hand. Donaire just missing with the left hook as Arce stepped into countering range.
Arce wants to get his body warmed up first before he chases any of those big punches. Sometimes once you get warmed up, you absorb the punches a little bit better.
A little tap to the body. First landed punch for Arce that I've seen. Good left hand underneath by Donaire. 8.
Sa round 2 pilit pa rin, hinahanapan ng butas ni Arce ang depensa ni Donaire. At dahil alam niya na hindi siya mananalo kung patuloy lang siyang tatakbo sa atake ng Pinoy champion, sinubukan niyang pasukin ang depensa ni Donaire.
Skill. Hook up there, but there goes Arce to the canvas on a quick, short, straight right hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dahil sa pagkakanakdown sa short counter right strike ni Nonito Donaire, nagbago ang paitan ng Mexican fighter. Naging agresibo ito ng atake sa Pinoy champion para nga naman may pakita na hindi ito nasaktan sa kanya pagkakatumba sa laban.
Exactly.
Arce may ultimately decide it's better to throw caution to the wind and be himself. It looks like he's beginning to think of that.
Well, you knew as soon as he got hit that was going to happen, Jim. That's the type of fighter he is. He's a man in the ring. He doesn't believe that nobody's better than him.
Content now to score with the left hand. Arce tries to get at him with the left hook, partially blocked by Donaire.
This is plan B for Arce. If he's gonna do plan B, Donaire, you like to see him cut the ring off some. Don't chase right behind Donaire.
Every Donaire combination is thrown with knockout intent.
Dahil sa gusto makabawi mula sa inabot nitong knockdown sa round 2, sa round 3 agresibong nakapagpalitan ng suntok si Arce kay Donaire. Na makikita na tila ba, hinahamon pa ang Pinoy champion.
Arce becoming much more aggressive here now in round number 3. He hit the canvas in round 2.
And of course he's taking the risk of walking in to something that brings us back to last week. Trying to pay the guy for today.
George Donaire's a very smooth boxer puncher. He's ranked by most among the top 4 or 5 pound-for-pound fighters in the world. What's your take on Nonito Donaire?
I think it's great, and I think he'll have a better night tonight because his guy is running right into a shot. So you make an ordinary puncher powerful when your head meets the punch. And that's what's happening tonight. And that's exactly what happened last weekend. Boy, I couldn't believe that Pacquiao.
Well, Arce seemed to want a big fight. Looking for the knockout, and Arce's down again. Second knockout of the fight for Nonito Donaire, and Jorge Arce is rubbing a glove against his left eye.
A glove went into his left eye, and he's trying to blink through it and get to the end of this round.
The right hand and another uppercut.
Oh.
And down goes Arce on a brilliant round.
Nakabawi man si Arce mula sa pangalawang knockdown, hindi na ito tinantanan ni Donaire. At dahil pinili pa rin ni Arce na makipagsabayan ng suntukan kay Nonito Donaire, bumukas ng depensa ng Meksikano. Dito na tinamaan ng sulit ang mukha ni Arce. At dahil sa lakas na pinakawalan ng lip hook ng Pinoy champion, tuluyan na hindi nakabangon ang Mexican fighter.
Brilliant left hook, and that just might be that, and it is. Referee Lawrence Cole waves his arm. Nonito Donaire has a third round KO.
And Donaire, by going through the drug testing he has gone through, has inoculated himself. There are no question marks here tonight.
100%. George, what a great crowd here in Houston.
But
We'll
Houston
give you
is
all
back. Houston is back.
We'll give you the credit for that. Thanks so much for joining us at ringside.
Ang panalo nito ni Nonito Donaire ang nagbigay sa kanya ng bakanting WBC Diamond Silver Bantamweight title. Kung pa sanay balik ang sigla ng Pinoy sa politikong boxing, ang tanging hiling ay may tabla ni Nonito Donaire ang mapait na pagkatalo sinabit ni Pacman kay Marquez sa laban.
The winner by knockout victory and still WBO Super Bantamweight Champion of the World, the Filipino.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang video ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at walang sawang suporta sa ating munting channel. Ikaw, Idol, anong masasabi mo sa performance pinakita ni Donaire sa bakbakan ito?
Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.